Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Bobby in Indiana on this new Stryker 497 HPC. Bobby, we got you ready to go. We did the ERF 2030 Plus upgrades as well as the upgrade on the voltage regulator, which consists of the Palomar Max mod. And I'll show you what we got. Our power all the way down, 5-watt slug. Now it will roll down to 1.5 watts. So you have full adjustability of it. 250-watt slug. It'll roll up to 25 watts. Now I'll show you average power swing. Low, about 55 bird. Peak power. Low, 125 peak. Alright, Bobby, I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bum bum.